Welcome back to Paintit.ai. In this guide, we'll explore projects, how to create and organize them, save and download images, reuse them in chat, and share your work. From the home page, open Projects. The workspace has three sections: My Projects, Pinterest Boards, and Shared with Me. To create a project, select Create New Project, enter a name, and click Create. We'll use Example, but you can name it after a room, client, or design direction. A new project starts empty. You can create your own designs or select Explore to find inspiration in the Painted gallery. In Discover, move over an image and click Save. Then choose the project where you want to save it. The image now appears inside the project, giving you an easy way to collect inspiration before creating your own designs. Now let's open an existing project. Your images may be different, but the available actions remain the same. Each project keeps its images in one visual workspace. To manage several at once, click Select Images to interact with. Selection mode opens with a toolbar at the bottom of the screen. It shows how many images are selected and gives you the available management options. Select the images you need. The counter updates and each selected image is highlighted. To save them locally, click Download. If your browser requests permission to download multiple files, choose Allow. Paintit packages the images into a zip file and downloads it to your device. You can manage the entire project from the three-dot menu in the upper right corner. From here, you can share, rename, or delete it. Select Share to open the invitation settings. Access may be restricted by default, allowing only approved users to open the project through its link. Open the Access menu to allow anyone with the link, then choose whether they can view or edit the project. Check the permission carefully before sharing. When the settings are ready, click Copy Link. You can send the link directly or use one of the available sharing options. Projects also connect directly to the Paintit.ai creation workflow. Move over an image and click the plus button. You can add it as your main image or use it as a reference. Choose Add Main Image to place it directly into chat. From there, describe your changes, add references, select a model, and continue designing without uploading the image again. The same shortcut works for reference images, turning projects into a reusable visual library for future edits and generations. Paintit can also connect to Pinterest. We won't complete the connection here, but once connected, your boards can appear under Pinterest Boards. Then you can bring saved inspiration into Paintit and use it as a main image or reference. The final section is Shared with Me. It contains projects that other people have shared with your account. Open a shared project to view its images in the same familiar layout. What you can do depends on the access provided by the owner. Warm and positive. That's the project's workflow in Paintit.ai. You can create collections, save inspiration from Discover, organize and download images, reuse them in chat, connect Pinterest, and collaborate through shared projects. With everything organized in one place, it's easier to move from inspiration to your next design.